Okay, guys, forgot to talk about BHI in Friday's highlight video from the live trading chat room at GreatStockPicks.com. So I thought, I'm laying in bed last night thinking about stocks like I always do. Most of our chat room members always say they feel sorry for my wife when they hear me say that. But I was thinking BHI actually was a really good lesson, and I did show this setup live in the chat room, and so I thought, hey, this is a really good trading lesson, and I thought I would share it in a video. It doesn't take too long here. So BHI closed on Thursday. You can't even see the close here on Thursday. These are 2-minute candles with the Friday morning open. Can't even see where it closed on Thursday, but it closed at 42.55, gapped all the way up and opened at 46.35 on Friday. So a huge gap up. Okay, then traded for a little bit, sold off, and the morning low was 45.25 right here. I put a horizontal line there, and when this took out the morning low, this area, I turned on the projector and said this could be ready to reverse, and here's why. It is almost gonna sound overly simple, but here's why. It seems like an obvious short idea, right? Because everybody involved in the trade, okay, from the opening bell, everyone who owns this long from here, well, I can just circle all these people. Everyone involved long is now underwater. Or at least everyone involved long from Friday's trading, not people that held it overnight, right? Everyone. So it seems like an obvious short. They're all going to start giving up right here. You can short the early low of day break, and it'll probably tank. Anytime something looks blatantly obvious to me, I always try to think contrarian, okay? So I turned on the projector and said this might be ready to reverse for a possible long trade. There's the next 2-minute candle. Put in this green candle here. You see a little bit of volume coming in right here at the turn. And as I always say, anything obvious in the market rarely pays well. I told everybody that this could be a good long over this 2-minute candle with a stop below this 2-minute candle. So not a bad risk reward. I'm looking for a reversal here. Catching late shorts off guard. All right, 45.24 was the idea. 45.04 stop. And it turns out that 2-minute candle that I was showing everybody was the low of the day. And 45.24 entry, this ended up making it almost to 46. And I don't have the whole day on here, but it never did come back to the stop. So it just goes to show, if there's any lesson to be had here, I'm not trying to say if something seems obvious, it's always going to do the opposite. But keep an open mind when trading. And I've seen this happen a lot, where you've got a gap up, it bases or chops around for a while, takes out the low of the day, and really all that's doing is taking out the low of day stops, and then it goes back up. So it was perfect today, and I know we had some members make some money on that. So I'm sorry, yesterday, because it's Saturday now. All right, I'll quit babbling, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.